Hello. The name of this story is Ben loves pizza. Ben loves pizza. And in this story, there is one boy. There is a boy. This is Ben. And Ben loves pizza. Ben eats pizza always. He always eats pizza. Ben, when he wakes up in the morning for breakfast, Ben eats pizza. Yes. For lunch at midday, Ben eats pizza. And for dinner, before going to sleep, before going to bed, Ben eats pizza. Every day, always. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, every day, always. Ben eats pizza. Because Ben loves pizza. Ben doesn't love other foods, cakes, bananas, pasta. He doesn't love other food. Ben just loves pizza, and Ben just eats pizza. Okay. One day, Ben was walking, and Ben saw an apple. This is an apple. And Ben saw the apple. And the apple said to Ben, "Hello, Ben. I am an apple, and I am delicious. Please, Ben, eat me. Ben, eat me, please." But Ben looked at the apple, and Ben said, "No, I don't eat apples. No, I eat pizza. And you are not a pizza. You are an apple, and I don't eat apples." So Ben kicked the apple. Wow! And the apple was very sad. Poor apple. Another day, Ben was walking, and Ben saw a banana. Ben saw a banana. And the banana said to Ben, "Hello, Ben. Hello. I am a banana. And I am delicious. Please, Ben, eat me. Please, eat me." But Ben was angry. Ben was angry because Ben didn't eat bananas. Ben just loves pizza, and Ben eats pizza. So Ben was angry, and Ben yelled, "No! No! I will not eat a banana. You are not a pizza. No, you are a banana, and I don't eat bananas. So no." And Ben kicked the banana. Wow! Oh, poor banana. The banana was sad. He was sad. And he cried. Another day, Ben was walking, and Ben saw an ice cream. An ice cream. But it was not a normal ice cream. It was a chocolate ice cream. A chocolate ice cream. And the ice cream said, "Hello, Ben. Hello. I am a chocolate ice cream. I am delicious. Please, Ben, eat me. Please, eat me." But Ben was very angry, and Ben yelled, "No! No! I don't eat ice creams. No! Not chocolate ice creams. Not strawberry ice creams. No! Ben does not eat ice creams. Ben just eats pizza. And are you a pizza? No. So Ben don't eat ice creams. Ben just eats pizza. I just eat pizza." And then Ben was very angry. He was very angry, and Ben smashed the poor ice cream. The ice cream was sad. He was very sad. He was crying. Poor ice cream. Ben just eats pizza. So Ben started to eat pizza. 1 pizza, 2 pizzas, 3 pizzas, 4 pizzas, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. He ate all the pizzas. He ate all the pizzas. All the pizzas. pizza, 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 pizza. So Ben was eating all the pizza, and finally Ben turned into a pizza. This is now Ben. Ben ate all the pizzas. So now Ben is a pizza. He is now Pizza Ben. Pizza Ben. This is now Pizza Ben. And that's the end of the story.